Welcome guys, and in today's video I am going to tell you how to activate dark mode. Everybody knows how to activate dark mode, but in some cases we are finding that if dark mode is activated but that is not working for Facebook and some other applications. So in that case what we need to do I am going to tell you. So welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and you are requested to kindly subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just go activate dark mode by just going in notification panel and tapping here dark mode. Now dark mode is activated, we can see dark mode is activated. But if we open Facebook, what we are saying that dark mode is not activated. So what we need to do now, just I am going to tell you, we need to go to developer option. Here developer option is already activated for my mobile. If it is not available or activated in your mobile, what you need to do, just go back and see my video. I have made a video on this. Anyway, I'm telling you, just go to the about phone and then go to the software information, then build number and press it 7 times. Because it is already activated, it is telling no need, developer mode has already been activated. If you pressing this 7 times and after that just entering the pattern, you will see that developer mode is activated. If it is activated, go to the developer option and go to the hardware accelerated rendering. So come down here under hardware accelerated rendering, there is force dark mode. We just tap it on. As soon as we tap it on, that dark mode will be applied to the Facebook. We close the Facebook here, and again we will open it. Now we can see the dark mode is activated. So this is how dark mode will be active. Even when after activating from dark mode, if that is not working in Facebook, it will work by this way. So this is all about activating hard mode through dark mode through developer option. This is all about today's tutorial. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much friends.